Hi everyone. As you know, we're doing our research about the effects of AI tools on the academic performance of grade 11 STEM student. I'll be asking some question and I hope you can share your honest thoughts and experiences. So let's start. This is our ground rules. So first, mute when not speaking. Second, listen to the moderator. Third, avoid using unnecessary words. Fourth, be respectful to one another. And last, be silent when someone is speaking. So before we proceed to our question, let's play Guess the Animal for our opening. So, what animal is this, Mr. Talite?
That is capybara.
So let's see, it's capybara. Great job, Talite. So let's next slide na. What animal is this, Miss Khalil?
It is a panda.
So let's see if it's panda. Okay, it's panda. Great job, Khalil. What animal is this, Kiana?
Monkey.
So let's see if it is monkey. Okay, good job. So we're doing so let's proceed to our questions. So this is our warm-up simple questions. So you see, meron tayong three questions dito. So let's start. First, as a student, how do you use AI tools on your learning activities, Mr. Talite?
I use AI tools to enhance and be creative to my learn activities.
So thank you for your answer. Second, how can AI tools help on your learning activities, Miss Kiana?
I think AI tools can greatly improve students' academic performance when used properly.
Thank thank you for your answer. So third question, does AI tools enhance your learning activities, Miss Khalil?
It enhances my writing skills and edits my learning activities, and it provides alternative choices for it.
So thank you for your answers, everyone. So let's proceed to our main body questions. So let's proceed. So this is our three main complex body questions. So first, as a student, how do you perceive AI tools, Mr. Talite?
As student, AI tools is very helpful partner to create my activities and fast to understanding my learning activities.
So thank you for your answer, Mr. Talite. Second, for you, what do you think the effect of AI tools in students' academic performance, Miss Kiana?
AI tools can help in me in my learning activities by giving instant answer, providing step-by-step solution, and suggesting additional resources.
So thank you for your answer. So for last And last question for you. What do you think about integrating AI tools in classroom learning methods, Miss Khalil?
I think by integrating AI tools in our classroom learning method, it will be easy for it will be easy for the students and teachers. However, using AI tools should be learned and be used properly.
So thank you for your answers, everyone. So that's all for the questions. Thank you so much for sharing your answers. This will really help us in completing our research. So thank you.